everybody, welcome back to GL Art. This is going to be a quick sort of guide tutorial on how to use Promarkers in a little landscape scene that I'm drawing. It's like a beach scene, so what I'll do is I will list the Promarkers that I use and their colours and their codes. Should you guys want to actually get similar pens or got access to them, you'll know the colours I'm using. And I'll scroll them through on the video as I go. It's only going to be a short one, a little time-lapse job, but you might find it useful and a point of reference if you guys want to do that. Just to let you know, we are having an extension done at our property, so my content will slow over the next couple of weeks. I won't have an office to work from or any way to set up my recording equipment. So that said, I'll let you watch this little tutorial and hopefully that will give you something to work from in the next few weeks. But have a little watch and I will see you guys just after. Okay, so for this part of the drawing, which is going to be the sand section, I'm going to use three colours. I'll be using Y129, which is satin, 0618, which is putty, and 0819, which is almond. I'll get that bit done, and we'll do the next one. Right, now for the wood and the hut, any elements of that in the drawing, I've used tan, which is 0528, cinnamon, which is 0427, and burnt sienna, which is 0324. Right, so for the sea and for the sky, I used both of these colours on the sea and the sky, and I left the clouds white. So for the sky, it was pebble blue, which is C217, and cool aqua, which is C429. And then for edging the clouds, I used two of the grey markers, so CG1, which is cool grey 1, and WG1, which is warm grey 1, and they're the ones I edged around the edges of the clouds. And there we go. And for the final little touches, which were the sprigs of grass that were breaking through some of that sand that I've just done, they were nice and simple colours. So I've got lime green, which is G178, I've got grass, which is G457, and forest green, which is G356. And there's my little beach scene with the Promarkers. So if you found that useful, I hope you have. If you have, leave a comment below, get in touch, say hello. It's always good to hear from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider doing so and hit the thumbs up for the videos, because it's always good to have that as well. And plus, basically, tell anyone you know. Help me grow my little channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.